Hello, Legion. Dr. Effect here. Back in August, Nurse Cause and I attended the Boston Comic Con in the hopes to find 2 or 3 fans of the Blockbuster Buster, my fellow member of the Skull Lantern Corps. To my complete surprise, we met over 1,000 fans, had over 2,000 photos taken, and they knew us by name. When I posted the video of that 2-day event, I had many emails and comments from many fans who were disappointed that they didn't have a chance to meet Nurse Cause and I and have their say and basically say things to ERod. Well, surprise, coming this weekend, November 2nd and 3rd, at Rhode Island Comic Con, both Nurse Cause and I will be in attendance. So for all the fans that missed their chance to say hi, to leave a message for ERod, or just basically meet me and Nurse Cause, here's your chance. Like I did for Boston, I'll be taking videos, I'll be taking pictures, and I will be making sure that your word will make it to ERod. The more support the Blockbuster Buster has, the better chance we have of getting them up here to the Northeast to one of these conventions. So this coming weekend on November 2nd and 3rd, Saturday 10 to 7 and Sunday 10 to 5, Nurse Cause and I will be in attendance at the Rhode Island Comic Con. We'll be walking around the convention center, so if you have something to say, come find us, and I'll spread the word of the Blockbuster Buster. So thank you, and thank you all for the support that you gave Nurse Cause and I in Boston, and I hope to meet you at the Rhode Island Comic Con. Okay, Nurse Cause, you can hit the button. Nurse Cause, you can hit the button. Nurse